Hey, welcome back to another video. This is another part of my painting my mini silicone babies. I'm going to add a mottling layer onto the babies, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to mix together some Psycho paint with part A and B and just a little bit of this pigment here. I'm going to thin it down just a little bit, and I'm going to create a nice and clear or more of a see-through type of color. And this is just going to add a little bit more extra coloring here and there on the baby to make it a little bit more realistic. Now I do go in and I add more details on the face. I blush the cheeks, I blush the knees, and I add more colors onto the baby, but this is just a little part for you to see. I'm going to take a little sponge and I'm just going to put this all over the baby's body, and it's very, very light, especially when you put the matting powder on top. It kind of just blends in. So this is just going to add a little bit of detail. It's not too much, but it's just going to make it look really cute and sweet with this blushing and modeling color. Alright, now I'm going to take my silicone velvet matting powder, and this stuff just makes the baby so smooth. I'm going to mat it and just kind of seal everything in before I do the hair, and in the next video you will see the final result. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one when we do our final review.